We are reviewing the entire of the traffic police department. The process is going on right now. I have proposed again this morning, because you understand, under the law, the police operate under the National Police Service Commission. So we have to make proposals to them as a ministry. Our proposals to them as a Ministry of Interior is that we have a total review of the traffic police department. But as we do that, I need to inform the public that we're equally frustrated by the fact that the ongoing review of the police identified 127 traffic police officers who were kicked out, and they all went to court and arrived promptly with court orders to continue doing what they are doing on our roads. So I'm calling upon all of us to do our part. Even our colleagues in the judiciary need to understand they live in this country. They live in this country. We cannot ask police officers to leave. We cannot have police officers being disciplined from the weighbridge or wherever it is they are taking bribes, and they arrive in court and promptly come with court orders. We have to be firm on driving schools in the country. My proposal is this, and as we had discussed earlier before we came to this meeting, we basically deregister all of them and re-register them afresh so that we know who actually is qualified to run a driving school.
Nimekuwa wapi? Nikwambie kazi ya serikali, maafisa wa serikali ni 24/7. Ukituona tunafanya 24/7. Kwa hiyo tumekuwa tunafanya kazi, tunakuwa tunashughulikia maslahi ya wananchi, na deep tunasema kazi ya serikali ni 24/7. Kila wakati tuko kazini.